Hello friends, my name is Yuri Ulyanov and today we will discuss the critical mistakes that all beginners do. And the same I did when I started. I'm practicing since 2005 Thai massage. Most of my life it's only Thai massage. I studied all kind of different other techniques, but all the time I come back to this lineage because it gives everything. Thai massage works with the muscles, with the joints, with energetically to put your impact on your patient. And these techniques can treat yourself. While I'm doing massage and treat myself all the time. It's like active yoga for me. When I feel not so good myself, I just do some patient this practice, and this gives me back energy. But since the beginning it wasn't so good. I made a lot of mistakes, cycle mistakes, made problem that I could not set fair price with my patients. My price was too low that nobody can. I was thinking that people could not afford fair price, but in fact only my way of thinking could not set the fair price. And this is critical aspect that we also talk in our course, that helps for beginner to understand how to negotiate all kind of aspects, cycle aspects. So massage is not only just techniques. Techniques is one, I think, fourth of the practice. Another aspect that how cyclically you communicate with your partner, with your patient. Then one of the most critical aspects, how you feel yourself. Because if you hurt yourself, and this is so common, and me, I hurt myself so many times in the beginning because I was thinking the most important that what am I doing, but not what am I feeling. After a certain years, I realized that this is the most critical aspect for yourself to be healthy as a patient, as a practitioner. And no one course talking about this deeply. And this impact your mind, how cyclically you feel yourself during the session, what are you thinking about during the session. Then how you feel your arms, because your arms all the time is feeling tension. If you set your mind that you're doing something, this is the critical aspect, because I'm relaxing all this the session. I'm relaxing myself. The deeper I relax myself, the deeper relaxation my patient will feel, because we can expand the only thing that we have inside of us. If we feel tension, this is the only thing that we can share. And this is quite critical aspect that my main teacher, Bhutani Pichet, the legend of Thai massage, he has a deep and long heritage of massage from his father, and father get from his father, and already like more than 8 years I was studying Thai massage from his hands, because this is reality. And I would like to share all these details that I get through my knowledge. I'm practicing massage already since 2008. I'm teaching massage since 2008, practicing from 2005. And everywhere in Europe, in Thailand, in Bali, in Russia, and all this region where I'm giving and teaching people, they do the same mistakes when they start. All the people do the same mistakes, and they are almost sure that they will not do this mistake, but all beginners do the same. And one aspect today we study, one aspect concerning that all the practitioner, when they start doing, they think that they need to use muscles. And today we study how to not to use your muscles. And you will understand it's not needed at all. And we start right now, okay? So we start from the very beginning, physical aspect. From the school we know there is only two kind of energy existing. One of them is potential energy, and one of them so potential, забыл, как он называется? Кинестетическая энергия, потенциал. So today we start from very beginning how to do any manipulation with your patient. And the most important aspect, that are you get tensed when you pressure, when you give any pressure to a patient, or you get relaxed. And from the primary school we know there is two energy. Is kinesthetic energy, the first one, and most of the beginners that I all the time that I see that while they're working, they do exactly kinesthetic energy. They want to do something, they want to show, like their body shows this energy. So they make physical, right now, physical movement. And you can do the same, just repeat after me. Pressure on your leg right now, put your elbow and make this movement with your muscles. Just make tension it, and you feel what most of the practitioner who starts, they do the same mistake right now. They try to do something, and this tension everywhere stops the blockage, the energy that goes upward from our lower part, from first chakra, that goes up, and this blockade, this muscles contracting here, and this doesn't goes there anymore, and it's this area also blockade, and you will feel tension after several minutes of this tension. You will feel that it stopped working properly, because tension contract your muscles and blood stopped getting through these muscles properly. This is important, and you need to realize the mistakes. And second mistake we try right now, we try to push the two elbows by one side, by the same time, two elbows, and make long time pressure, and feel what's going on right now in your hands. You feel there is some tension and it stuck in your hands. After a while, this practitioner who's doing these mistakes every day, they become my patient. You don't want to be the patient of somebody else. You want to feel energy that's flowing, that's driving through your body, that gives like real relaxation, gives you understanding that you heal yourself, not hurt. Okay? And now we do second, opposite movement. It's called kinesthetic pressure. In physics, it's called kinesthetic. It means that you don't need anymore to press anymore. You just need to use your weight, and since this second, you relax totally your arms, your elbows, totally relax. And check this area. This is the most critical, because automatically you try to rise it, and when you rise it, it gives tension. You need to relax it as maximum as possible. The more you relax it, that it starts stretching. When it's stretching, it's already yoga treatment for your body. You start making it healthy, you start helping your body. The only thing that you just need give more weight. Nothing is needed to be done. You just need to give more weight, and that's it. And then check your palms. It needs to be relaxed. Check all the arms should be relaxed. And shoulder, the most critical aspect. When you get really deep, it means you give enough weight. You relax your neck, totally relax. And this also gives you stretching. While I'm doing massage all the time, I'm relaxing my neck. I just putting it down. And it's also, I don't need to hold it all the time, because when I'm holding, it's also stuck energy. It all comes to me through the years of practice. I just realize where's energy comes, where it's stuck. And you just need to be sensitive during the session and be very attentive, because your body will tell you where's actually energy flows, how it flows, what it gives. When you feel so sensitive to yourself, and your every session becomes like a treatment to yourself, like a yoga, deep yoga with more sense, not like repeating after somebody, but doing through your sensation that start helping you. If you help yourself and you have enough sensitivity to yourself, you can help to a patient. And this is the only way you can help. When you start feeling yourself, you start healing yourself. Only through this aspect you can help to others. And this is only one aspect out of hundreds that we would like to share with you in our course. It's called Golden Formula. The most aspect we're talking, there is all the details that we would like to share that connects with our mind, body, and connection with your patient. So if you feel yourself healthy, you know about what aspect to think during the session, how to feel yourself, how to keep body during the session proper way. And there is certain aspect how to not to hurt to yourself. And there is another aspect energetically, how to protect yourself energetically, because all the time when you connect with others, their energy connect to others, to mine. It happens all the time, and there is no chance not to do to avoid it, because we always interconnected energetically. And there is some certain ancient techniques that still works, and I feel it all the time. And not only me feeling, my patient feeling, my wife feeling. And if I do know these techniques that protect me, that's really impact on me, on my patient, and on all the family with whom I communicate. And another aspect that is important to know, not only these techniques that is a lot of in internet you can find. By the way, a lot of uses dangerous position that can hurt the patient. This is important. But this techniques is one aspect. The important aspect that is not spread it, that you will not find in any online courses, that they will not tell you how to be healthy for them as a practitioner. And the second aspect, how to make healthy your patient, not to do dangerous position, how not to do only forms, but do the essence, to understand what I am doing when I pressure. Because most of the time massage is just pressing. I call it street Thai massage. It just looks like Thai massage, but it's only street massage that everybody share, but there is no deep impact. There is healing massage. This is second type of massage that is doing mostly in monastery, and my lineage in osteopathic Thai massage, it's called. That's every time when you pushing, you understand what's going on under your hands, and you understand how deep you need to know to go into the muscles. What is going on there is with the muscles. Why all contracted muscles is shortening, how I make them longer, what I need to do. And then after realizing the principles, you will understand how to really help people, how to make their muscles be totally relaxed, be totally out of tension. You just understand principles. And this is all principles we describe in our course that called golden formula. You don't need even patience for this course. You understand everything through the watching and practicing with yourself. And three aspects: what to do with your body and your mind, how to behave with your patient, that's not to hurt them, and cycle aspect of communication, how to communicate properly, then to get main idea what people needed. Because most of time massage that I visit in the street, they never ask me my demand. Why am I coming? What kind of tension do I have in my body? They don't even ask. But there is all kind of aspect important how to communicate. It's not only this aspect. There is a number of aspects that you need to know how to negotiate with your patient, then to better understand them and better get signals if they get any hurt, how to get really deep into their problem and to relax their tension. And this helped me to get fair price, that helps me to travel around the world, to be able to live anywhere in the world, in Latin America, in Bali, in Europe, in Turkey we live. And only through this understanding, third aspect, the most critical, that gives you energy from your patient to you. Because if you know how to communicate, you can set a fair price that gives you energy back. So welcome you to our course, where you get to know all critical aspects for beginners. And if you would like to get any additional information, feel free to message us. Goodbye.